Hey guys, hello and welcome back to another episode of Hard Knocks Performance. On today's episode, what we're going to do is remove this windshield here and some of the other glass components just to make sure that the Lemans is ready to get mounted onto the rotisserie. To do this, we have our very official professional tools from Harbor Freight. So we have this Pittsburgh windshield removal kit. And we have our suction cups to pop out the glass. So you can already see that we've gone ahead and removed the first, one of the pieces of the 4-piece set. And I'm just gonna slide this through the urethane, and then we'll just zigzag back and forth to break that urethane seal and go on from there. Okay, so we have our pick here. Just going to slide this in. Like so. And go into the corner. And pick it out. Ta-da! Next, we're going to take our other handle and take the wire, feed it through. You can see that there's a little slot here. Okay. And then you can see that we got the wire to come through on the opposite side here. Feed it into the little hole. And now it'll be tight. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the wire to go back and forth, and that's going to break the urethane seal that holds the windshield in place. So I'm going to need my assistant for that.
Harbor Freight, cheap, yet in some cases effective.
Gets the job done. It gets the job done. Plus, you get 20% coupons in there. All right, now that we've gone ahead and got rid of the urethane beading around the windshield, we're going to use these suction cups to pop it off. So I'll go ahead and do that next.
Okay.
You have much more faith in the Harbor Freight products than I do.
Well, that's why we're using our hands.
It's off!